Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by validating essentials. You have admin rights, licenses, and devices ready. Once confirmed, enable present syncing and background app permissions so status updates propagate. Decide on one primary status policy and one fallback automation rule to keep everyone consistent. Don't pause for perfect conditions. Start with this minimal config and refine. You'll reduce drift and get predictable behavior fast. Make sure to document these initial choices so teammates know the standard you'll enforce. You now build the middle layer, automation rules that translate signals to reliable statuses. Map calendar events to meeting status, using device sensors and desktop activity to detect idle versus active. Once done, configure priority. Calendar overrides idle, manual focus overrides both. Test these rules on 3 user profiles, remote, hybrid, and office, so edge cases surface. Make sure to monitor propagation delays and adjust debounce windows to avoid flicker. You finish by putting resilience in place. Deploy dashboards to monitor status uptime and set anomaly alerts for sudden drops. Enforce the setup with a short training session and 30-day audit so behavior stays consistent. When things go wrong, follow a quick recovery path. Restart the present service, resync affected accounts, and clear client caches. If problems persist, roll back the last rule change. Keep communicating progress to teams so confidence in status accuracy grows over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.